Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to upgrade to Fotor Pro and use premium features. While the basic version of the Fotor gives you essential to editing tools, upgrading to Fotor Pro unlocks a suite of premium tools, resources and capabilities designed for the more professional level work with Pro and even higher Pro Plus, and you get access to advanced AI tools, high resolution export options, premium templates and effects. First, open to your Fotor app. So over here what you can do is you can tap on the top right corner if there's an icon, and over here you just reach to this Pro features. What you can do is you can simply tap on the Pro version again in the top right. So over here what you can do is you need to continue in order to upgrade to the Fotor Pro. Over here you'll find there's an option for the weekly or the yearly as well, and if you want to see more plans you can also see more plans over here, which is for the Fotor Pro, Fotor Pro Plus, Fotor Max Pro. In order to upgrade for the Fotor Pro, select to this Fotor Pro and upgrade it now on the bottom and proceed to it. Over here you need to double click to subscribe and simply double click to confirm with the side button, and after proceeding and complete your payment on your iOS or your Android, the subscription goes to the App Store, and once paid your Fotor Pro membership activates immediately. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.